How to fix keyboard disappeared in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, set as default keyboard. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down. Click on system. Scroll down. Click on keyboard. Click on one screen keyboard and turn on this button. After turning on this button, set as default keyboard from your phone. After that, restart device. Swipe down. Open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear cache of keyboard. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search keyboard app. Now click on keyboard, scroll down and click on storage at cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, keyboard will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keyboard disappeared in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.